Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. Right now I'm in my bathroom and I'm eating my breakfast in my bathroom because this is where the best lighting is in the house. No. So today we're going on a trip to Dallas, which is 2.5 hours away from me. And we're going to an amusement park. So with the International Students Club, I want you guys to come with me. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share it to your friends, and most importantly, subscribe. Love you guys, and enjoy this video. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? Who's driving? Oh damn. Who's driving the bus? Hey guys, so we're in the car now on the way to Dallas. It's gonna be an interesting day. Yes, it is a video. Yeah, it's gonna be 2.5 hours as I said before, but it's gonna be fun. So we are stopping by the biggest gas station here, one of the biggest. It's a big one, and we're just going to the bathroom. What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
A biscuit.
A biscuit.
Oh, the people trying to get to the best.
What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get?
I don't know. Oh, Texas barbecue. I think it's going there.
Guys, so we went and got some food. I got strawberry cream cheese kolache. Is this even recording? And here we are sitting down, waiting for everyone else. But it's hot. It's already hot. What did you get? Fruits. She's trying to be healthy.
Who said I was healthy? I got. You got the same thing. Oh yeah, we did.
Oh, that's cute.
That's not cute.
Okay, so we're waiting for everyone else now. Here we are eating.
I was talking to Ashanti, but he didn't hear me. Give me a photo.
So good.
I don't think it might be food.
No brisket.
What do you think?
Me too.
Good? Hey, he bought me this. Thank you.
Happy Muñeño.
Here. Hi guys, so we made it. We have arrived at the destination, but we gotta check our tickets in and get in. So it's a long line. When we came here, it looks like a long line. I'm sorry about the wind, but we'll see. Okay guys, so we are here. We're about to go on these rides. It's about to be interesting. So yeah, look at these rides. So our first ride is the Superman. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? We're gonna die?
Pretty basic.
We're gonna die? Do you think we're gonna die? We're gonna die today?
Of course.
Don't say that! He's scared now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay guys, so we just finished one ride. Okay, tell us how that one was.
I spoke with God. He said, never again.
Never again.
Or we will see each other for real.
That was crazy. I don't even know where we're going. But yeah, we're going on it. My voice is gone, but we're going on the next ride now. Keep watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Next one up, the Batman ride. Yeah. We made it to the line. It wasn't that long. But we about to die. We about to die.
Restraint habit check.
Adios.
All clear.
Bye, guys. Oh my gosh, don't die. Oh my gosh. That was what we rode. That was what we rode. How do you think that was? Tell us about it.
That was fun.
It was fun. Okay, which one are we going now?
Let's go, Joker.
Okay, but let's get some water.
Water. 1 second. I want to record the next one.
Next one up, we're gonna go on the Joker, guys. So as you can hear, it's loud as frick out there. But yeah, we're going on this thing called the Joker. So this is what it is. Yeah, we about to die again, but oh well. How long have we been waiting in line?
Probably 30 minutes. 45 minutes.
It's too long. At least I got water. Six Flags, please sponsor my video right now. For real. Guys, so right now is, what time is it right now? It's 3:20 and we are getting food. So yeah, we chose this restaurant called Chopsticks. I guess it's like Asian cuisine. So we'll see, and I'm gonna review the food. So keep watching. This is about lunchtime and we're hungry. I mean, it's not lunchtime anymore, but we're hungry. We get free food, 1 free meal and 1 free snack, and then free drinks the whole time. So we're excited. Hi guys, so we're eating right now. This is my food. Orange chicken and rice, white rice. Dude, just standing on the line for food, it took us about 45 minutes. And they were kind of mean. But oh well, we got our food. It is currently 3:44. So keep watching this video. And what do you think about the food? Good, you like it? Did you eat yet? Yes. You ate somewhere else. Y'all ate? Yeah, they're eating. How do you think the fried rice is? How do you think the fried rice is?
It's okay.
Okay.
It is good.
Okay. So yeah, we're all eating right now. I don't know where the other half of the group is, but we're all here. Half of us are. Sunscreen retouch, guys. Make sure you get all the surface of your face. Get it in your mouth, get it on your sides, and then get your whole entire. That noise that you hear, according to her, Kaylee, means the sound of dying. We're in the elevator. What are we doing in the elevator?
I don't know.
We're gonna go up high in the sky.
Guys, this is 3 rules on this ride, right? Or elevator. Please do not put your feet in between these holes right here. There are no horse planes. Also, once you get to the top, do not spin or jump off the roof. Everybody got it?
Got it.
I promise
Heck yeah. Oh my god. Oh, we going no.
Can we go to this? Oh, okay. So we stay up there. Yeah. Okay.
And I'll come back for you.
The stairs is only for I kind of wanted to go.
Okay, we're here. Woo! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty.
At least I'm flat.
Woo! So pretty, guys. We're up in the sky. Yo, we're up in the sky, y'all. I don't want to go on that one. I can't do spinning.
Let's go another one.
Okay.
Go outside and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Welcome back to my channel. No, his channel. With me over here, you can see the whole Dallas. Dallas, Texas, Dallas.
We about to go down now. Hallelujah.
Stop. You can't feel it after a
Bruh.
while.
Kenneth, don't put your hands over there. That's what they say. We about to go on this roller coaster, guys. We about to go on this roller coaster. Look at this. We got a fast pass. Thank you to that, sir. Thank you so much for bringing us with you, sir. You're gonna go in my YouTube channel.
I'm a singer too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You were saying?
And we about to go on Shockwave with 6 Flags over all the sin. Yeah, yeah. We have made it to the line. We're about to die. Yo, how are you feeling today? How many rides have you been in, huh? 2? 4. Damn. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below. Tell them to subscribe to my channel right now.
Subscribe to his channel.
Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and yeah. Oh my God, look at Kaylee and I'm over there, guys. Woo!
Why did it not look so bad?
I know, right? Kaylee! Tell us how you feel. Good. Good. Kaylee, how was it?
I almost passed out.
Hey guys, it's been a while now. We've been here for how long?
2 hours.
Exaggeration. We've been here for an hour and we're tired. My legs are hurting. How are you feeling? Anyways, but after this ride, we're gonna go on the Babora. Bibora. What is he doing? He's eating, you guys. But yeah, we're gonna go to Bibora, so this is the next ride. What do you think about that one ride?
It was good. Amazing. I loved it. My eyes were open and it wasn't even that dark.
Explain to them what the ride was.
It's in a cave. It's supposed to be in the dark, but there's still light, and it's like a roller coaster in the cave.
Roller coaster
That's
in the
it.
cave, yeah.
Roller coaster in the cave.
I have a headache from it, honestly, but oh well.
It's gonna take the picture.
Now, we're going to our next ride. It's called what? Bibora. It sounds like Deborah. No, that's a name in my language. It's like Deborah. Deborah, yeah. Deborah. But yeah, we're gonna go to Bibora. Bibora. Which is, what is it like? Can you explain to the video what Bibora is?
It's like a roller coaster and a slide ride. I mean,
A roller coaster and a slide, yes. But yeah. Okay. But anyways, we're getting snacks right now. He looks wasted. Did you have some beer? Yeah, we're getting snacks. What are you eating? Pretzel. What are we waiting? Gabby. We're about to go on our next ride. What is it called? Texas Giant. Texas Giant. So it's like a roller coaster and it's really tall or something. It's loud, but here it is. Let me show you guys. You can't really see it, but it's somewhere. So in this video, you guys are gonna watch me screaming because the video we can't take our faces with it. So yeah, this is just us screaming. Okay guys, so right now we've been actually waiting. What? Yeah, it's my vlog. Okay guys, so we're actually waiting right now for our friend Frida, who's on this ride. Let me flip the camera and you guys can see what ride it is. This ride. She's on the ride. We're waiting for her. So after this ride, we're gonna go on our last ride and then hopefully go home after that. So it is currently, what time is it, Kaylee? 8:19. So we've been here since 11 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we've been here that long. It's tiring, but here we are.
Bienvenidos al viaje. Hi.
Okay guys, so this is our last ride. This is our last ride. And yeah, that is the saltiest pretzel I've ever eaten in my life. But it is our last ride. We're about to go home soon. This is just like a little log ride where you go in a log. But that's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Are we excited?
Very.
Anyway.
And tired.
I'm tired too. I'm ready to go to bed. Yeah. But here we are. Okay guys, we're going. We're moving. This is our last ride, guys. And yeah. There we go! Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Hi guys, so today has been an interesting day and we're going home now. It's been tiring. I think I'm like literally, I have a tan line. I'm pretty sure I have a tan line from the sun. But it's been fun. We're done for today. We're about to go home. Thank you so much for watching our whole entire trip. It's been an entire day. We spent the whole entire day here. It's tiring, but we're gonna go home now. So y'all, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, share to your friends, and most importantly, what? Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye. This way, my way.
Oh my goodness!
Let's make it progress, y'all.
You look like a frog, Kevin.
Why are they laughing? Oh, it's been a tiring day. Okay.
Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday.